Hey everyone, it's John from Timberworks Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a simple, foldable backdrop using just a plywood, drill, and a jigsaw. Whether you're looking for a backdrop for events, photo shoots, or even a decorative piece for your home, this project is budget-friendly and easy to make. This folding arc backdrop panel is 6 feet tall by 4 feet wide. I will show you all the parts and pieces with dimensions. The plan is available for download. Just check the description below. First, let's go over the tools and materials you'll need. 1 piece 1/2 inch plywood, a drill, jigsaw, measuring tape, a pencil, wood glue, 3/4 inch wood screw, and 7 pieces 2 by 3 inches hinge. This is the plywood cutting template. All the parts and pieces for this project are all in just one plywood. Use your ruler and pencil to mark the cut lines. Accuracy here is the key to make sure the panels align perfectly when folded. Let's start by cutting the arc panel. First, measure and cut 5" by 4 feet piece. This will be used as base support and as a guide to draw the arc. Next, let's mark the top and center of the arc with these dimensions. Mark these measurements on the 5" by 4 feet piece. Drill a 1/2 inch hole at the left mark. This is for the pencil, and the right mark is for the screw. Screw the guide piece to the main panel as shown. Make sure that the markings are all aligned. Using the pencil, you can now draw the arc. Carefully cut along your lines with a jigsaw. Take your time and let the blade do the work. Draw a line 3 feet from the bottom of the arc panel, then cut it. This is the folding point of the panel. All the cut pieces in this project are marked by letters and is separated by color. This is to avoid confusion on what pieces to use. Here are the cut pieces with dimensions. You can download the full plan in the link below. This will be a big help to us so we can continue creating more DIY videos like this. Let's start the assembly of the panel by connecting the top and bottom panels. First, let's connect piece A and B. Make sure the edges line up. Next, screw 6 pieces of piece G. Follow the measurements. Attach 3 pieces of 2 by 3 inch hinges to the wood. Now the arc panel can be folded into half. Next, let's attach the pieces that will lock the panel. And here's a different angle of the installation of the lock pieces. It's important to add an extra space so that the F piece will be easy to slide in. And now, let's assemble the stand or base support. First, screw 2 pieces of piece G. Follow these measurements. Then attach two pieces of 2 by 3 inch hinge. Then connect the hinge to piece D. Now piece D can swing in and out. Proceed to assemble the base support of the other side. Once the two sets of stands are installed, we can put the piece C. This will hold the piece D from swinging. Then, just add 2 sandbags as weight to prevent the panel from falling forward. Notice that there's a slot joint in piece C and D. This is to make sure that the connection is fixed. And now the assembly is complete. I recommend to smoothen out the edges by using 120 grit sandpaper to remove any splinters. This project is estimated to have a material cost of $70 to $90. This is of course assuming that you already have the tools. For finishing touches, you can paint it, or if you don't want to see the line in the middle, you can cover the panel with fabric. And there you have it, a foldable backdrop made with just plywood and a jigsaw. If you want a copy of the detailed plan, please check the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more DIY projects, and let me know in the comments what you'd use this backdrop for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.